Clerkenwell LGBTQIA+ history project video for Stonewall. This is based in Agden Street, close to St John Street in Clerkenwell, and it has a mission to ensure that LGBTQIA+ people do not feel alone. It will not be finished until everyone everywhere is free to be themselves. It was founded in a ordinary living room of a house in Rector Street in Islington, and it was formed for as part of the fight against Section 28 of the Local Government Act, which came into force in May 1988. It was founded in April 1989. It has had an amazing amount of success in a huge range of rights and improvements for the lives of LGBTQIA+ people, including the repeal of Section 28. That took almost a decade and a half. It was eventually repealed towards the end of September 2003, but it was such a battle. The other successes include the Sexual Offences Amendment Act 2001, which helped equalise the age of consent, which had been higher for gay men, and that was brought down to 16. In 2000, on the 12th of January 2000, the military stopped having a ban on LGBTQIA+ people. In 2002, adoption rights were equalised. In 2014, the Equal Marriage Act came into force. They've educated on human rights for LGBTQIA+ people. They provide advice on coming out. They give best practice advice to schools and to companies. They have a Proud Employers program. They have a corporate partnership. They have toolkits, and they provide a lot of guidance. And as Harvey Milk, the late Harvey Milk, who was mayor in San Francisco until he was murdered in 1978, his quote, "Hope will never be silent," is one of the messages carried forward by Stonewall. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.